So the usual way of installing an extension is basically going to the Chrome store and downloading your extension. Basically, then it will show up here. Okay, but there is websites or you will find, or maybe you have a basically have downloaded a file or a zip file that have the a modified or a downloadable version of an extension that's not necessarily existing on the Chrome store. What you need to do is that the Chrome have a they have an option for you so you can download that or load that extension basically without installing from Chrome Store. And the way you do it is there is different ways, but usually you go to extensions and then click manage extensions, and then you see all your extensions basically show up here. What you need to do later is you need to activate developer mode, okay, like this, and then go to load and packet uh, zip file. And then what you need to do is that the way is to basically unzip that file that you downloaded. But you can do it in another way, which is if you go, for example, here and then select the downloadable file that you downloaded, for example, here like this. I'm waiting for it to download. You can directly drag and drop your basically tool. If it didn't work, you can basically what you need to do is to unzip the file to extract it. Okay, so you will download it as a zip file, but the way to install it is to unzip it and then just drag it like this. Okay, and if it has a problem, as you can see right now, this means that the tool is no longer supported by the Chrome extension, basically. Okay, so uh, if you get this error, that means because sometimes those extensions are like basically illegal to use, or they basically they they're not copyrighted basically, and they kind of hack, or they are malicious basically. So you cannot install it if you get this error, but you can install other non-malicious extensions, and that's the way how you do it. Please like and subscribe for more videos.